Okay, so topic natin ngayon ay triangle congruence. So meron tayong learning objectives na understand natin yung concept ng triangle congruence. Ano ba yung konsepto ng ating triangle congruence? Then i-appreciate natin yung rule of triangle congruence and real life situation. And then i-apply natin yung different triangle congruence, postulate, and theorems. So ito ay topic ng grade 8. Karamihan topic ng grade 8. Pag sinabing triangle congruence class, the meaning of congruence in math is when two figures are similar to each other based on their shape and size. The symbol of congruence is dalawang line tapos yung pag-anong line, congruence. So, ano ba yung two figures are similar? So, kapag meron tayong dalawang square, so, masasabi natin congruent siya. Pag may nakita tayong dalawang triangle, congruent siya. Ibig sabihin, same sila ng shape or symbol. Okay? Two triangles are congruent if all their corresponding side and angles are equal. So, magiging congruent daw siya kapag yung sides niya at yung angles niya are equal. This means that triangles have the same size and shape. So, same size and shape. Magiging masasabing triangle congruent siya. Ngayon, triangle congruence, there are four valid methods to prove triangle congruence. Meron daw four valid methods to prove na triangle congruent siya. First natin, yung three postulate na yon, yung SSS, kung saan side, side, side. Ibig sabihin, yung side nung una ay side din nung pangalawa, side nung pangalawang, ibig sabihin, meron siyang tatlong side dun sa una, at same lang din siya dun sa pangalawa, side, 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 congruent siya. Tapos, kapag sinabing SAS, side, angle, side. Ibig sabihin, meron siyang side, tapos yung kabila rin, side din, tapos may angle na same, tapos angle din doon sa kabila, same. Tapos side. Side, angle, side. Siya naman ay SAS. Kanina, SSS, side, side, side. Tapos, yung pangatlo natin, ASA, angle, side, angle, congruence. Ngayon, pag sinabing angle side, may angle na same side angle doon sa isa, tapos may same side din doon sa isa at angle din sa isa. Ibig sabihin, dalawa yung angle niya, isa lang yung side niya sa gitna. Congruence din siya masasabi. One theorem. Three postulate, pag sinabi naman one theorem, ito yung AAS. Pag sinabing AAS, angle, angle, side. Kapag yung angle nung dalawa, yung isang triangle ay angle-angle, tapos doon din sa kabila, tapos may side din, congruence, masasabi kapag nagpareha sila. Okay? So, AAS ang tawag doon. Yan yung ating four valid methods to prove na triangle congruence. Tapos, kapag sinabing side, side, side class, congruence, if yung three sides daw of one triangle are equal to three sides of another triangle, the triangles are congruent. Ibig sabihin niya, yung three sides ng one triangle are equal to the three sides of another triangle. Magkakaroon lang siya ng congruent kapag same sila ng side na tatlo at tatlo din doon sa kabila. Same na itong example na to. So, side, side, side. Side, side, side congruence, itong ating example, in the figure AB, yung ating AB is equal to PQ. Ibig sabihin, yung AB natin equal daw ng ating PQ. Tapos, yung ating BC equal din ng ating QR. Okay? At yung ating AC ay equal din ng ating PR. Masasabi natin side-side yan kapag ang ating mga side ay parehas nung unang side to the another side. To the another triangle. Conclusion natin, yung ating triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR or side-side-side. Okay? So, yung conclusion daw natin, yung triangle ABC ay congruent. Pag sinabing congruent, yung ating symbol, triangle ng ating PQR. Same siya. Okay, next. Side-side-side congruence. Itong ating example number 2. Meron tayong given number. Ang given triangle natin with AB is equal to 6 cm. Yung AB natin. Yung BC naman natin, meron siyang 8 cm. At ang AC natin ay 10 cm. Yung ABC yon, triangle ABC. Pag sinabi naman triangle ng DEF natin, same sila, na meron ding value. Ang DE daw niya ay 6, same din po ng AB. At yung kanyang 6 cm unit, parehas. Ang EF niya ay 8 cm, same lang din ng BC. At ang DF niya is 10 cm, kung same lang din ng AC. So, since pare-parehas sila, na pare-parehas ng value at unit, so, ang conclusion natin, since all three sides match to the triangle ABC, is congruent to triangle DEF. Or, pwede natin sabihin postulate siya ng SSS, side-side-side. Okay? So, side-side-side congruence. So, another example number 3. Given two triangular plugs have the same side lengths. Two triangular plugs. So, ibig sabihin, dalawang triangular plugs na meron daw siyang have the same side length. Meron siyang 3 meters, 5 meters, and 6 meter. So, since dalawa na yung pinag-usapan dito na pare-pareha siya ng unit at ng length niya, so, masasabi natin the plugs are congruent by SSS. Ang side daw nila ay SSS, kung saan congruent sila. Okay, so SAS naman tayo, kung saan yung SAS, side angle side congruence. Pag sinabing side angle side congruent, if two sides and the included angle of one triangle are equal to two sides and the included angle of another triangle, the triangle are congruent. Kapag sinabing side angle side, yung two sides ng angle na yung included angle natin, kunwari, mayroong triangle dito, mayroong triangle dito. Kapag daw yung dalawa na yon ay nagparehas ng side, tapos angle, tapos side, angle dun sa una, angle dun sa pangalawa, tapos side sa una, sa side din sa pangalawa. So, masasabi daw natin, triangle are equal to two sides and the included angle of another triangle. The triangles are congruent. Masasabi natin congruent kapag nagpareha sila ng side angle side. Okay? SAS naman yon, may kasama na siyang angle. Kanina, SSS lang siya, side. Ngayon, ay kasama na siyang angle. Yung side niya sa una, tapos angle, tapos side. Okay, side, angle, side. Pag sinabing side angle side congruence, meron tayong side AB, meron tayong side AB, tapos side AB is equal to PQ. Sabihin itong side na to ay same daw po ng PQ. At ang AC natin ay equal naman ng PR. Okay? Tapos, at ang angle ng AC, itong angle na itong AC na to, ay angle din daw ng PQ. Okay? Angle between PR and PQ. That's why ang angle daw ng A ay equal to angle ng P. Kaya ang conclusion natin, the triangle ABC is congruent to ABC congruent to PQR, kung saan ang postulate niya ay side angle side. Sabihin may isa na tayong angle kung saan meron siyang pinakitang may angle siya na same din dun sa first shape natin na triangle. Okay? Kanina side. Ngayon, side angle side. Okay, example, may given number na tayo. Meron tayong given triangle ABC. Ibig sabihin may ABC tayo. Ang AB natin ay equal din daw ng XY. Ibig sabihin ang AB natin, ang value niya ay 5 cm. Ang AC natin ay value niya ay 7 cm. Ang angle A natin ay 60 degree. Ibig sabihin, angle A is 60 degree. Ang triangle XY say, kung ang triangle ABC natin ay may mga value na 5 cm, 7 cm, at 6 cm, 60 cm, at ang value naman ng XYZ, ang angle ng XY is 5 cm, ang XZ is equal to 7 cm at ang angle ng X is equal to 16 cm. Ngayon, ang conclusion, since two sides and the included angle match to the angle ABC is congruent to angle XYZ. So, masasabi natin ito ay postulate SAS. Side angle side. Kasi kung mapapansin nyo, given na number natin ay same din po sa triangle XYZ. Triangle ng ABC ay same ng unit at ang number ng triangle XYZ. Okay, so any clarification lang po, pwede po tayong mag-chat na. Another example number 3, SAS pa rin. Given two triangular roads, sine have matching side of 12 cm and 15 cm with an included angle of 90. So, since two triangular road ang sinasabi, two triangular, at meron silang mga unit at given number na ganyan. So, since dalawa na pinag-uusapan dyan, meron tayong nakitang angle at meron silang same na 12 at 15 cm. So, ang conclusion natin, the road signs are congruent by SAS. Ibig sabihin, side, angle, side. So, congruent daw siya ng sa SAS. Paano naman kapag angle, side, angle? Dalawa na yung angle niya, isa lang yung side. Two angles included side, ASA, angle, side, angle, congruent. So, two angles in the included side of one triangle are equal to angles in the included side of another triangle. The triangles are congruent. Two angles in the included side of one triangle are equal to angles. Ibig sabihin, dalawang angles na magparehas doon sa unang triangle at isang side na same din po doon sa pangalawang triangle. Ang tawag daw po diyan ay ASA, angle, side, angle. Matasabi natin congruence pa rin siya basta't ang parehas lang yung unang triangle doon sa pangalawang triangle. So, meron siyang isang angle at isang side at isang angle, ang tawag natin dyan ay angle, side, angle. Congruent siya. Example ng ASA, angle, side, angle, congruence. Example number 1. In the given figure, angle B natin, ito, angle B is equal to angle Q. Ibig sabihin, ito, kung dito siya naglagay ng angle dito sa unang triangle na to, sa baba, sa pinaka-base niya, ganun din yung gagawin doon sa next triangle niya, doon din sa side na yon. Okay? So, angle B is equal to angle Q at angle C is equal to angle R. So, angle, side, angle. At ang side niya, ito. Ibig sabihin lang niya, between angle A, B is angle C, angle Q are equal to each other. So, dahil equal to sila to each other, conclusion, ang BC natin is equal to QR, BC is equal to QR, at ang angle ABC ay congruent to PQR by angle side angle. Ibig sabihin, angle side angle. Ngayon, angle side angle, meron tayong given dito. Example, given triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 40 degrees and the angle B is equal to 60 degrees at ang angle B, AB is equal to 5 cm. Ngayon, mapapansin natin, dalawa yung may degrees niya, may angle niya. So, 40 at 60. The triangle XYZ is equal to 40 degrees, angle Y is equal to 60. Same lang din sila. So, congruent sila to each other. Ngayon, conclusion, since two angles and the included side matches triangle ABC is equal to congruent to triangle XYZ. So, ito ay angle side angle. Example number 3, angle side angle. Angle side angle congruence. Two triangular sails have angles of 30 degrees and 90 degrees with a common side of 4 meters. So, two triangular. So, pinag-uusapan natin dito ay two triangular, dalawa na. So, since parehas sila na may angle na ganito, so masasabi natin congruent sila at tinatawag silang angle side angle. Okay, tandaan natin, kapag sinabing angle side angle, dalawa yung angle niya at isa lang yung may side. At same sila, congruent sila dun sa isa pang triangular angles. AAS, angle side. Pag sinabing AAS, angle side, if two angles and non-included side of one triangle are equal to two angles and non-included side of another triangle, the triangles are congruent. So, ulitin natin, nagkakaroon lang ng congruency ang dalawa kapag parehas na parehas yung kanilang postulate, yung kanilang side, angle, yung ganon. Nagiging congruency sila, pero kapag isa lang yung mawala sa kanila na hindi parehas, hindi na sila congruent. Okay? So, AAS, angle side congruence. Ang angle B daw is equal to angle E. Corresponding to angle C is equal to angle F. Corresponding angles AC and DF, adjacent side. So, ito yun, class. Ang angle B ay same ng angle E. Ang angle C ay same ng angle F. At corresponding angle ng AC is corresponding angle of DF. Conclusion, ang triangle ABC ay congruent ng triangle DEF by AAS or angle side congruence. So, pag sinabing angle side congruence, may angles ang property of triangle. We know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. So, ibig sabihin, di ba, kapag naglagay naman tayo ng, alam naman natin ang triangle natin is equal to 180. So, ang D at ang E at ang F natin is equal to 180 din. From the equation 1 and 2, we can say that angle A plus B plus C is equal to angle D plus E plus F, angle F. So, ang A natin plus angle E plus angle F is equal to angle D plus angle E plus angle F. Since angle B and angle E and angle C is equal to angle F less angle A and angle D. Hence, in triangle ABC and DEF is angle A, angle D, angle C, and angle F. Angle A and C, AC is equal to DF. Ibig sabihin side siya. Kung ano yung side ng AC is equal to side ng DF. AAS, example number 2. Ang AAS, angle-angle side congruence. Yung given triangle natin, ABC, with angle A is equal to 50 degree. Angle B natin 70 degrees. At ang BC natin is equal to 6 cm. Ito yung side. Triangle XYZ natin, angle is 50, 70, at ang kanyang side is 6 cm. Since parehas siya ng dalawa, same sila ng triangle, ng number at unit. So, conclusion, since two angles and non-concluded side match ay triangle ABC, congruence to angle XYZ. So, ang tinatawag nating AAS. Okay, class? Example number 3. Two triangular traffic signs have angles of 35 degrees and 55 degrees with an identical side of 8 cm. Two triangular. Pag sinabing triangular, alam natin yan ay dalawa. Triangle. Na kung saan meron siyang 35-55 with an identical side of 8 cm. Dalawa. So, nasaan siya? Nasa AAS niya. The traffic sign are congruent by AAS. Okay? Summary. So, yung congruent triangles have the same size and shape. Sinabing congruent triangle, same size and shape. Meron siyang same size and shape. Ito yung methods na magpo-prove ng triangle is congruent kapag sinabing all three sides match. Ibig sabihin yung SSS ay nagmamatch. Yung SAS, two sides and included angle match. So, ibig sabihin, dalawang side ay pareha sa kanila at yung kanilang angle na angle ng una at angle ng pangalawa ay parehas din. Pag sinabing ASA, angle side angle naman. Two angles the included side match. Tapos AAS, two angles and non-included side match. So, ito po yung SSS, SAS, angle side angle, angle side. Okay, meron kayong gagawing activity dito. So, una, itong ating group 1, gawin natin. At meron tayong rubrics. At based dito sa ating gagawin, may pa-quiz. Gawin nyo. So, you can open this. At ito ay upload ko. Kung kailangan nating sagutan po ninyo. Para po maintindihan po natin at ma-comment nyo lang po kung ano yung mga sagot nyo. I-check na lang po natin yan. Okay? So, I hope na maintindihan po natin para malaman natin na congruent yung isang triangle sa pamamagitan ng mga postulate na aking discuss. Okay, class? So, thank you at please subscribe po. Pakipanood naman po yung aking mga ina-upload. Malaking bagay po at malaking tulong po ito para po sa atin. Hanggat hindi pa po nag-start ng pasukan, ginagawa po ako ng mga video na malaking tulong po sa atin. Okay po, sa pangunawa sa mathematics. Thank you at good night.